Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. So finally I get to go on holiday. It's the first one I've had proper holiday since November 2019. So over 2 years without actually getting away, laying in the sun and actually doing nothing. But as traders, we always have that fear of missing out. Laying on a beach or laying on around by a pool, what if the markets are moving? What if there's great opportunities we actually get into? But for me, I think it's better to go away, relax, recharge, and do other things around trading that will actually make more beneficial long term rather than those 1 or 2 trades that you might have laying on the beach. Now we all know we can trade from anywhere, we can have all of our accounts running on mobile phones, but for me I don't like trading that way. I like to sit down in a proper environment in my office with all the screens around, all the information I need to place proper good trades in the market and therefore not be a risk of almost doing like a gambling trade. But that's where the temptation is going away, we have it there. So for me, I've already taken care of that previously by deleting the MetaTrader apps from my phone, so I can't actually just look at trades while I'm laying on the beach. But what I will do, which I think is going to be far more beneficial, is lots of reading. I've got loads of books loaded on my Kindle, I've got audio books ready to be listened to while I'm doing nothing. And if I do get a bit of a chance in the afternoon, let's say it's too hot and I've just done too much swimming for the day, I can just go back to the room, bring up the laptop and look at charts, maybe do some back testing, go over what I've learned from the books in that day and just sort of refine some of the strategies, but not actually place them in live trades in the market. I've done it before where I've had some open trades running, I've left, I've got on a plane, gone away, markets are crashed when you're mid-air, not being able to do anything. You land and you find out you're down 2, 3, 4% depending on how many trades you've got running at the time. And I don't want that pressure, that stress. Holidays for relaxation and enjoying yourself. So for me, lots of running, lots of swimming, lots of reading, and some back testing and some strategy management. And I might even do some more investigation on other prop firms to prepare loads of videos for when I come back so I can give you lots more great content. So I'm going to be away for about 10 days, but hopefully I'll be able to do some YouTube shorts or just keep up some of the social media things. So hopefully I'll be able to maintain some momentum and get some great content out there. So I'll catch you when I get back and I'll see you again soon. Cheers!